Hi, this is Darren from 1KADaystrategies.com, and this is my review of the 1K Daily system. 1K Daily system is a high ticket commission app that generates $1,000 commissions and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. So if you're interested in finding out a bit more about the 1K Daily system, it's an app that works on high ticket commissions, and it's been generating the team there 1K plus commissions a day and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. I'll go into this in a little bit more detail. I'll show you in the admin area of the system how it works. We'll have a quick look at the sales page, which you can go through in your own time. All you need to do is, if you're on YouTube, just click below this video. You'll end up on my review page, and on my review page there are a number of yellow buttons here. All you need to do is click on any of these yellow buttons, and that will take you to check out the 1K Daily system. I have a collection of mega bonuses to go with it, which I'll go through shortly. But again, if this is of interest to you, just keep watching, and I'll go into a bit more detail about it for you. So the 1K Daily system, it says it works in 3 simple steps. Number 1, you quickly grab your copy before the price increases. Step 2, log in and configure some basic settings and enter your affiliate links. And step 3, get traffic and sales. So if I just go through the bonuses that I've got with this, what I will do is I'll go through all the upsells, the one-time offers, the OTOs, and I'll also, as I say, go through how the system works in the back end, so you've got full transparency of whether this is a good fit for you or not. So bonus number 1 is social traffic and lead magic software. So with the 1K Daily system, it does allow you to promote high ticket webinar offers that pay out large commissions. These large commissions can range from $300, $500, $600 plus per sale that comes through. So one of the keys of getting your system singing is to get traffic to it. So with bonus number 1, it's a software and a training on how to get social traffic using a special process that exponentially grows the traffic that you get into the front end of your 1K Daily system to move you closer to your 1K Daily commissions. And as it says, it only takes 60 seconds within the 1K Daily system to get things going. So bonus number 2 is a viral traffic software. Now this is lifetime access to a pro version of this viral traffic software that doesn't just get you traffic through the front end, it gets others to promote your offers quite naturally and succinctly, so that you get exponential traffic to the front of your 1K Daily system. Bonus number 3 is an infinite traffic Google Ads master training. Now with bonus number 1 and bonus number 2, those are free methods for you to get traffic into the front end of your 1K Daily system, so that you can move towards getting high ticket commission. But with bonus number 3, it gives you the opportunity that once you are comfortable, that you can quickly switch on additional traffic by using the power of Google Ads. So that's Google Ads targeted purely for affiliate marketing, which the 1K Daily system is about marketing high ticket where you get paid high level commissions per sale that takes place. So rather than getting an $8 commission, a $10 commission, a $20 commission, a $30 commission, it's talking about $500 commissions. Plus, by using the bonus number 3, you get the full training on how you can make that work using the power of Google Ads. Bonus number 4, with all of these, when you get people into your system, you need to have some follow-up emails. You'll get people signing up. What the beauty of the 1K Daily system is, there are other apps out there and systems about getting people to a high ticket webinar. The beauty of the 1K Daily system is that it has a free giveaway right up front, which encourages a higher percentage of people to opt in. With that opt-in, you would need to at least have some follow-up emails. So with bonus number 4, you get 1,700 proven, tried and tested email swipes that you can plug and play into your system. Bonus number 5, you'll get access to all the vendor bonuses, which I won't go into detail, but once you get into 1K Daily, there are a number of bonuses that are provided with it. And bonus number 6, bonus number 7, bonus number 8, there are 3 additional bonuses that are going to be a surprise, that once you pick it up from any of these links, all you need to do is click the link below this video. That will take you to my bonus page, my review page, and you'll just need to click any of these yellow buttons. Once you purchase 1K Daily, you'll get an email from Warrior Plus. Just log into your Warrior Plus account for the front end product that you've purchased. Click the access your purchase green button, and that will take you to your admin area for 1K Daily, and the blue button underneath, just click that one and you'll get access to all these bonuses, including these 3 additional surprise bonuses that will take 1K Daily to a whole new level. 1K Daily says it's a 100 done for you high commission system. 100% free traffic is already built into the system, 0 tech skills needed, 5-figure day training included, so you get the training included with it. A lot of these tools don't come with enough training, but this within the 1K Daily system it does. 100% beginner friendly, so either you can do this whether you're experienced, intermediate or complete a beginner. You've got all the tools and the full training included, and with all the bonuses, it gets you going at a far faster pace, especially with the viral traffic software that will get other people to work like a sales team, selling for people to visit your funnels, to get signed up to these high ticket webinars, for you to get high level commissions. And the more people you get in the front end, the more commissions that you're going to get. So in the back end of 1K Daily, you've got full tutorials up front to be completely transparent. Everything's all within one dashboard, which is far better than having different separate plug and play systems. You've got a full academy of training from start to finish, telling you what to do each step of the way. It tells you how to use the 1K Daily system set up for you, how to import setup steps, how to create bonuses, because this includes a bonus intro, how to use upgrades, auto profit boost, super affiliate builder, strategies, and the training is full and rather comprehensive. There's in the system, you've got the opportunity for done for you campaigns. So the simple Wi-Fi profits. Simple Wi-Fi profits is a high converting, proven, well established offer that pays out $600 in commission. There's passive income system, another high ticket offer. Project Profit Academy is another one, and we've got Super Affiliate System. Super Affiliate System is another one that's been around for a while and very highly profitable. Pays $500 commission each time, and with the opportunity for another $120 plus per month as recurring income. So if we just clicked on the SAS, the Super Affiliate System, here you can see you can edit your landing page, very well professional put together page that you send your traffic to. Click here to save my spot, that gets people to opt in. You can edit the page, you can add your links as you need to. A choice of opt-in pages that you can provide to get people in through the front end so that they opt in. Happy you've added your links, you can check out the pages. Here's your front end page. When you set where you send your traffic to, if they click, it just asks for them to put their email address in, and then that takes them to the next step for them to watch the webinar. So even if the beauty of this, it's got every base covered, so even if people go to escape, they're not going to go any further. They go to exit, just as you can see as I move up to the top. Before you go, I have to remind you, if you stay till the end of this exclusive training, you will receive my free gift. So it's incentivized and it works really well. It's covered all bases, so it gets people to encourage them to watch the training. Yes, I want to reserve this now. You've got a scarcity time bar. You'd click to say you want to reserve this, and then they're taken to sign up to the free training. So it gets people to take micro steps, and then they can sign up to the webinar. And by this point in time, you've already captured their email address. And as we said, with bonus number 4, we've got the 1700 email swipes. They're already proven, tried and tested. Once you've plugged and played those into your system, that will get follow-up to keep bringing them back, so that you can increase your traffic to your webinar, get increased traffic to the replays, and get increased traffic so that you can get exponential growth on the commissions that you're going to get coming in at the levels of $500 plus. It's very simple and straightforward to create a campaign. You can also, you've got social shares, there's free sharing on social sites. You've got a section for you to add your affiliate links. All you need to do, it's very simple. With each one of these, you would just click the button to go to access where you're going to get your affiliate links. It also has got in here additional promotional materials. There's a training on how to promote on Facebook, on YouTube, via email, and you get copy swipes of additional emails that you can use individually for each one of these systems. So it's all very much plug and play. All you need to do, follow the tutorials, follow the steps, and take action on this. And obviously it's down to you how fast you want to grow this, how much traffic you want to get to come into it. You've got free traffic training here, which also is extenuated by using bonus number 1 and bonus number 2, which gives you exponential growth for free traffic. With the training from Glyn, it shows you each step of the way of what to do. Excellent training. Glyn is very clear on the way he delivers his training, very easy to follow. Through the upsells there are additional elements that you can take advantage of, which we'll go through shortly. But it's a very straightforward dashboard. There's no juggling from one window to another. It's all within one dashboard, very simple and easy to follow. You've got integrations that are available. You can integrate this with Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Sendio, Constant Contact, HubSpot, and it's nice that it integrates with Sendio. So it's an all-in-one solution for effortless 3-figure commissions. It's cloud-based, so it doesn't make any difference which computer you're working from. It'll work on a Mac and an Apple just equally. The app's simple. The idea is to build your email list and generate high-ticket commissions by giving away a free gift to entice people to attend and watch an auto webinar. The free gift is a high-value PDF, high-value training PDF, which increases the conversions of getting people to opt in, and it makes this quite a all-rounded system to take things to an extra level, especially when you compare it to other options. It says the software builds you 2 pages that combine for sky-high conversions, and the done for you lead generation page offers both a free giveaway and a free training session, which appeals to a much wider audience, so you can at least 2x your leads to get more through your front end. The upsells, so just to get this with these things already included, with the offers that's available, the done for you campaigns that are already done here. You've got 4 offers here that all pay high levels of commissions, and you can pick that up just for the measly amount of $17. It's a no-brainer for $17, and plus for the $17 you get all these bonuses as well. But OTO number 1 is the unlimited version. The unlimited version is $67. If you go to exit, you may well have the opportunity to get it slightly cheaper for $47. OTO 2 is the done for you system. So OTO 1 is the unlimited version, which you can see here, and obviously you can read a bit more about this when you go through the system. OTO 2 is the done for you system, where you get additional done for you campaigns. Done for you is $97. You can get unlimited traffic on OTO 3. Unlimited traffic, that opportunity is there in OTO 3, which is $97 with a downsell of $67. OTO 4 is to supercharge your 1K daily system account to 30k in the next 30 days. So with OTO 4, this gets you moving at a faster pace to get you to earning 30k in the next 30 days. It says all you need to do is watch, follow the 30k in 30 days training. Step 2, press a few magic buttons. Step 3, sit back and enjoy 100% profit that you'll earn. OTO 4 is $67. To me that seems like a no-brainer at $67. Well, you need to be guided by your own budget. OTO 5 is super affiliate, which is $67, and OTO 6 is license rights at $197 with a downsell of $97. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, all you need to do is click the link below this video. It will take you to this bonus page. Once you pick up via this yellow link, all you do is click the yellow button. You'll get to the 1K daily, click to get started, and then you would end up at Warrior Plus, and just on the front end it's just going to cost you $17. So that's Darren from 1KADaystrategies.com, and I'll speak to you soon.